Sa isang boksingero, kapag inaling tulad ka sa isang legend, ay mataas ang expectation sa iyo ng iyong mga tagahanga. Katulad na nga lamang ng boksingerong nanggaling sa bansang Panama na si Roberto Vasquez. Itong boksingero ay sinasabing susunod sa yapak ng kanilang legendary boxer na si Roberto Duran. Si Roberto Duran ay isang hero sa kanilang bansa pagdating sa sports ng boxing. Kumbaga sa atin ay siya ang Manny Pacquiao ng kanilang lugar. Kaya naman ang mahaling tulad sa mga katulad nilang boksingero ay isang napakahirap na task para sa isang boksingero, kahit na isang malaking karangalan ito sa kanilang karera. Ngunit ang lahat ng mga expectation ng tao kay Roberto Vasquez ay nawala sa isang iglap lamang nang makaharap nito ang ating kababayang si Drian Francisco na tubong San Jose, Mindoro Occidental. Hindi inakala ng mga manonood na ginanap dito sa ating bansa nang inaakala na susunod na magiging legend sa bansang Panama ay pinulbos lamang ng ating kababayan na medyo awkward ang style, ika nga ng mga commentator sa kanya. Halina at ating balikan ang bakbakang Drian Francisco versus Roberto Vasquez noong October 3, 2009 para paglabanan ang bakanting WBA International Super Flyweight title. Sa umpisa pa lamang ng rounds ay napaka-agresibo na kaagad ng ating kababayan. Iba't ibang anggulo kaagad ng mga suntok ang kanyang pinapakawalan, habang ang pambato ng Panama ay sobrang pag-iingat at kalmado lamang sa kanyang mga galaw. Nag-aabang lamang ito ng mga counter punches na pwedeng maipatama sa ating kababayan.
Quezon City when he KO'd the Indonesian Sheryl Vide of the Philippines. Now, Golden Fist. And as my esteemed colleague said, certainly the fight to the very talented world-rated Hugo Caceres acknowledged a flying left hand by Francisco. As we are approaching the end of the opening round. Oh, and a nice flurry!
Dito sa ikalawang rounds ay nakakapagpatama ng magagandang counter punches ang pambato ng Panama, habang ang ating pambato ay patuloy lamang sa pag-pressure sa kanya, which is isang magandang taktika para sa ating kababayan.
To get his boxing feet back on, and a nice left hand by Francisco stuns the former world champ. And even himself would say, this is his time. Oh! And a nice left jab by Vasquez. But this is his time, he said. Balance by Francisco, and there's a good evidence there as he goes flying into the rope.
Yeah, very unorthodox to the point where he corrected the ring correct. You know, so he's very relaxed.
He's a college graduate, went to San Sebastian in commerce. Well, just not in the Philippines, I would say all around the world.
Sure. He reminds me of like Hasim Hamed. You know, just throws punches from all.
This partisan Filipino crowd to its feet here in the Cuneta Astrodome.
Francisco's field.
Less than 10 left to go here in the second round. As Vasquez. Oh, and a nice left jab.
Dito sa ikatlong rounds ay nagpakita na ng pagiging agresibo itong si Roberto Vasquez, habang ang ating kababayan ay hindi nagpadadaig sa kanyang mga atake. Bagkus ay patuloy pa rin ito sa kanyang side-to-side movement at ang mga suntok na nanggagaling sa iba't ibang anggulo.
About the pressure, perhaps, on the shoulders of the in his native country of Panama.
Well, the press is very hard on him in Panama. The boxing is probably the most popular sport in Panama, along with baseball. So they take Panamanian.
For some reason, the unorthodox and the off-balance Noah Vasquez is able to figure him out just yet. Perhaps never seen a fighter like him.
Great counterpunch from Francisco.
Oh, straight left hand found and a right. Found its mark.
This is a little bit of Luisito Espinosa. This is not a Pacquiao here. Espinosa was slick and could come at you from all angles and actually had pretty decent power.
Body shot. Straight left scores by Francisco.
That affects his speed. Obviously, that's going to affect his speed.
Habang umuusad ang kanilang laban, ay parang mas lalong nagiging malakas ang ating kababayan. Lalo itong umiinit habang tumatagal. Habang ang pambato ng Panama na former world champion ay tila nabawasan ng kanyang mga opensa. Isa itong senyales na nauubusan na ito ng hangin sa kanyang katawan. Epekto naman ito ng pagiging agresibo ng ating kababayan.
And Vasquez really doesn't have an answer right now. I'm surprised because Francisco keeping his hands kind of low. You see him drop that left.
Well, to Vasquez's credit, he's blocking a lot of those punches.
Maybe he's been tagged a few times. Loose yet. Seems to be a little bit sluggish.
It has been some time since his last fight, back in March of 2009. Wild swing by Francisco. Oh, and tags him there with the left. Nice left jab. And there's the bell.
Magkasunod na kaliwat kanang suntok ang naipatama ng ating kababayan na siyang naging dahilan ng pagtumba ng former world champion sa round 6.
Sweeping left hand, and down goes the former world champion. But up on his feet. He says he's okay, taking the standing 8 count. Boy, that was a haymaker that came in from left field.
And he's out of it. Right now, he doesn't know where he is.
And a big left hand and a right as Drian Francisco is beginning target practice. And Vasquez has to get off that rope.
He's got no answer. Vasquez has nothing.
He is picking apart the former world champion. Francisco, the bombardier of his own plane, opening up the payload and loading and dropping the bomb. And there was a big right hand. Vasquez does not know where he is.
He just has no answer, Vasquez. Francisco is just pouring it on.
I give Vasquez credit. He has taken a ton of shots and still continues to fire back.
But he would have credit here. He came out totally in shape, totally relaxed and ready for this fight.
Boy, look at Vasquez is just standing right up like it's just not a moving target. Like ducks in a pond. And Francisco is taking full advantage. Boy, Vasquez,
he never got out of the mud. He's been stuck.
Sa dami ng suntok na tinanggap ng pambato ng Panama mula sa ating kababayan, ay nagawa pa nitong bumangon at naisalba pa niya ang rounds na iyon at muling nakapagpatuloy sa susunod na rounds.
What's amazing is that
two fighters on different paths. I mean, one go
handed to him by Drian Francisco of the Philippines.
Has been pleading to bigger name at this weight, than a Roberto Vasquez.
Well, already, no matter the outcome of this fight, this division, at the 115 division.
For Vasquez, though.
So they were expecting that Vasquez. See that? He throws the punch. He's looking off to the side. That is so bizarre. Vasquez doesn't have the pop and the sting in any of his punches.
Sa kabila ng pagbagsak ng pambato ng Panama sa nakalipas na rounds, ay nagawa pa rin netong makipagsabayan sa ating kababayan. Ngunit tila malabo niyang mapuruhan ang ating kababayan dahil sa sobrang lakas pa nito at hindi pa nauubusan ng lakas.
That is the face of someone who is may not even want to really be here. He didn't leave, but adding on 22 pounds.
Watch out against this fast hand Filipino.
I'm just amazed at Francisco.
Francisco now starting to go to town as the former world champion starts to cover up. Oh, that's stuck in. Oh, that right hand got in there.
You better believe it did. And that body punch got in there.
We talked about his eating habit. Vasquez needs to go on a diet, and he's getting a steady diet of left and right hands. To the head. To the body. Wow. Vasquez just stood there and took it all, and to his credit.
And look, you would have to think that a guy of his speed and talent would be able to take advantage of a fighter like Francisco, whose hands are down below his waist. I can't recall the last time I've seen that, except maybe Naseem Hamed. And I like Francisco's cockiness. You know, that's how you're going to succeed.
Patuloy pa rin ang pananalasa ng ating kababayan sa pambato ng Panama at ang kanilang boksingero ay hindi pa rin napanghihinaan ng loob at nagabang lamang sila ng isang magandang timing dahil sa isang suntok, maaaring matapos kagad ang nasabing laban.
And the way he's doing it, this is going to really raise his profile in the junior bantamweight division.
Stand up and look. Oh! And a big right hand rocks the head back of Vasquez. Scooting him up and almost put him down.
But Vasquez just doesn't want to be here. You can see it. He's just going to try to ride this out.
Vasquez and all his accomplishments is that you see a fighter when he's on the downside of his career, and he could reverse that course and get him excited and motivated and be the Roberto Vasquez of old. I just don't think the kid has any heart in him.
Well, he's going to have to go back to the drawing board. No more comparisons to Roberto Duran.
Well, both Panamanians, that's where it ends.
You know, Vasquez has been credited in Panama with...
Sa pagkakataong ito ay parang pinaglalaroan na lang ng ating kababayan ang nasabing former world champion na nanggaling pa sa Panama. Kung ano-anong klaseng suntok na binabato ng ating kababayan, tila hindi pa rin ito nauubusan ng hangin sa kanyang katawan.
Or in the song, when he went into the song. And then he turns around and packed on 20 the recipe for health and physical fitness.
It's like Francisco was winding up for another bolo punch. Look at this awkward style here.
Never seen anything like it.
I haven't seen anything like it.
Except Naseem Hamed.
Were the opponents.
Well,
I think you pointed it, and Roberto Vasquez just doesn't throw a punch.
He's a naturally gifted athlete.
Sa pagkakataong ito ay wala nang maiganting opensa ang pambato ng Panama sa ating kababayan. Tila naubusan na siya ng taktika pati na rin ang kanyang lakas at sinusubukan na lamang niya na makasurvive sa labang ito.
Oh, did you see that uppercut? I think if Vasquez gets it to the corner up on the ropes one more time, he might be done.
Look at him looking down at his feet. This is a little bit of Sugar Ray Leonard here. Referee stopping this. Wobbling.
I hope he has his hunting license because it is open season. Continuing the score from awkward angles and another.
Ngunit sa dami suntok na tinamo ng Panama mula sa ating kababayan, ay tila tumiklop na rin ang tuhod nito kasabay ng paghandusay nito sa ibabaw ng lona.
And now a flurry here at the end. Oh, big shot and down goes the champion. The former champion's down for the second time in this fight.
Muli pang bumangon ng former world champion. Ngunit tila ang corner niya na mismo ang umayaw sa kanya at naaawa sa kanyang kalagayan. Isinuko na nila ang kanilang bata at tinanggap na lamang ang kanilang pagkatalo para na rin sa kaligtasan ng kanilang boksingero.
I really thought that Vasquez would...
Sa labang ito, ang ating pambato ay nagpakita ng kakaibang tibay at lakas. Hindi ito basta-basta nagpasindak. Kahit na former world champion ang kanyang nakabangga at hindi rin basta-basta ang nasabing boksingero dahil nasabi nila na ito ang susunod na magiging Roberto Duran sa kanilang bayan. Pero lahat ng yon ay binura ng ating pambato sa isang gabi ng bakbakan. Hinirang si Drian Francisco na bagong WBA International sa Super Flyweight Division.
And now the WBA International Super Flyweight Champion of the world, he knows them all.
Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ng tampok natin ngayon, paki-like and share. Mag-iwan ka na rin ng comments para sa iyong saloobin. At kung bago pa lamang dito ay paki-subscribe at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell button para updated ka sa mga umaatikabong videos tulad nito.